In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then select Emergency Contacts. Hit Add Emergency Contact and tap on all of those that you need. Then choose Done. And as you can see, all of my contacts were successfully added. To delete them, use those three dots at the top right corner. Click on Remove option. Select all of those that you wish to delete and hit Remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!